Sharing a Weebly website without publishing it is a great way to get feedback or allow others to review your site before it goes live. Here's how you can do it. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your account credentials. Edit your website. From your Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to share and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Preview your site. In the editor, click on the Preview button in the top right corner. This will show you how the site looks on desktop and mobile devices. Make sure all changes are as you want them before sharing. Copy the preview URL. While in preview mode, copy the URL from the browser's address bar. This URL is a link to the unpublished version of your site. Share the link. You can now share this preview link with others. They will be able to see the website's design and content, but they won't be able to access it via search engines, and it won't be visible to the public. Feedback and revisions. After sharing, gather feedback and make necessary revisions before publishing the website.